What is up, guys? We are back and it is dark. Boom, you can barely see me, but I am here. Behind me you can see the boulevard, and we have one set of the lights on it. We think we're going to put the other set on tomorrow so we can see, and he'll be all lit up. But for now, this is what we got tonight, and we're going to flip it around and check it out. We got more coming tomorrow. Look at that strobing. That's awesome. Alright, so let's get you flipped around and check it out. Let's give a walk around. I've never done a motorcycle before with glow lights. This is the first time. Not too bad. We got another set of lights to put on it to go with these. This was just the first set. We ran out of daylight. We got it hooked up, ready to go. The other set should be real quick and give this bike a lot of bright light. They'll definitely see him coming. It also has a brake wire. You run it into the hot side of your brake light. Makes all the lights light up red when you brake. There's Trevor Spiller. What's up, Trevor? And there's Marsha Collins. Hi, Marsha. And who else do we got here? There's one more. It doesn't show me. It says we got 3 people. Trevor and Marsha so far. I don't know who the third is. But we're live. This is what we're doing. Suzuki Boulevard 1500s 2008. It's a nice bike. We got some more lights to put on tomorrow night, so hopefully we'll have another video of that once we get it all lit up, and maybe we'll get some driving footage too, because I'm sure this bike is going to look gorgeous. We're going to get some lights up here on the front, a little more underneath, and I think that'll take real good care of it. But that strobing is crazy. It's the first time I've ever actually worked on a motorcycle, period, ever done anything. So it didn't kill me, I guess. If I'd rode it, it probably would have. So it does all the colors though? You got a full color change?
Yeah.
Will it let you change them while they strobe?
It won't strobe or change them, I don't think.
Nice. That's half the kit. We got half the kit done. We're going to do the other half tomorrow. Get the low glow on. This was the first set, just kind of figuring out how everything needs ran, where it's going to go. He knows where he wants his other lights to bring out the lines in his bike, so we're going to get them ran, get them plugged in tomorrow, and he'll definitely be glowing. For everybody, the details on the giveaway are coming soon. I'm going to do a video on it, and then there will be an official giveaway post, and that's where you're going to get in for your chance to win the stuff in the giveaway. I'm telling you, the giveaway is awesome. I can't wait to show you what I got. It's more than just the underglow kit, so stay tuned, guys. Check it out. That's going to be a great thing to come out, check out. Make sure you're in it for your chance to win. But I think we're going to call it a night, and we're going to wrap it up, pick some things up, and be done. Back to work tomorrow morning. That's how it is. Yeah, the green looks good.
Yeah, I like the green.
It's bright. But yeah, we definitely need to get some up front, I think, like what you were saying, and then by the engine bay. But it casts on the ground pretty good underneath of it, but once you get it lit up, it'll cause the whole rest of that bike to glow, I think. It says we got 2 viewers with us. Marsha Collins is one of them. Doesn't show me the other one. Trevor was watching, but he cut out. But that could be him still on there. Trevor, if you're still there, what's up, man? Stop by and see me. We got the Jag here. It's dark. You can't see it. Nothing. So dark. Let's see, let's try this. Bam, there it is. And it's dirty. Been driven all weekend. The Blazer's dirty. We got some tools sitting back here and some rags. We drove this thing all over northern Indiana last night. Elkhart to Plymouth to Albion and then back to Napanee. What a trip, what a trip, what a trip. We put some miles on there last night, and it needs cleaned up, but it's time for it to set tonight. We're not doing nothing with it, and this is it here. He's gonna get ready to take off. We'll watch him go down the road. Have a good night, brother. Get up with me tomorrow and we'll get you set up. Man, it does look good.
I appreciate it.
Did you ever get your other strand of lights that was here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. There's that bright LED headlight. All right, brother, be careful. We'll see you tomorrow. Man, he hit that clutch and it says, look. That thing's a beast. And you still can't see me, but you can hear the train in the background. Guys, this is it for the night. I think it's almost 10 o'clock. I need to go get a soda or coffee or something because I am thirsty. I need to get some food in my belly and crash out shortly for work tomorrow. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Hopefully tomorrow night, man, I see if I can get some light on my face. Maybe tomorrow night we'll get out and finish the rest of this underglow on the motorcycle. The train's so loud. Sorry, guys. But the stuff for the giveaway is definitely coming. I have all the stuff is here on site. I'm always behind. Story of my life. High-speed artist, and I never keep up. But so we're gonna do that. Get that post done up soon. Stuff sitting right there inside the shed. Everything. It's gonna be a good giveaway. I'm excited. Should be a real good time. Real good time. In the summer, it's getting about that time to get everything boxed up and ready for the winter. Start planning that situation. So a lot of the projects are going to start coming to a halt, and it'll be time to box everything up and get it ready for the winter. And then we will be back on YouTube with all the footage from the summer, episode after episode, until spring comes around again and we're ready to get back on the grind. So we'll be plugging both and doing both for a little while still. But stay tuned, guys. Keep checking out what we're doing. It's not over yet. We have more to come, I promise. You guys have a good night. Keep on trapping. We'll see you on the next clip.